Check this out, Benny. I made a boiler. I haven't finished it yet. I need to make a smokestack in the back. But I got my valve and my whistle today. 2.5 inch round. Made an alcohol burner for it. Believe it or not, that alcohol burner is made out of the same round tubing that is. I flattened it and shaped it and everything else, and it turned out pretty good. About 8 inches long, 2.5 wide. Soldered the caps on the end. Made my own bungs. Only one thing I don't have would be that relief valve for when she gets too much pressure in it. So I'm a little leery about letting it build up too much steam. That there is the burner. Let me know what you think.